Are you looking for the top 5 best wireless intercom systems? If you've ever felt frustrated trying to communicate with someone in another room or worried about missing important messages around your home or business, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Hosmart UltraSpeak Pro. The Hosmart UltraSpeak Pro caught my eye immediately with its promise of crystal clear sound and a whopping 1,200 feet range for just $96.59. If you want reliable communication without any hassle, this is worth a serious look. This intercom system is incredibly user-friendly. You simply plug it in and start talking. No complicated setup here. The full duplex feature means you can speak and listen simultaneously, which is perfect for quick conversations. Plus, with its range, you can communicate effortlessly, even in a large house or office setup. It's designed for various environments, from homes to restaurants, so you can adapt its use wherever you need it most. Now, I need to be honest, some users noted that the sound quality isn't as robust in larger spaces with lots of walls. But here's the thing, if your home or office isn't too spread out, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's more about ensuring you place the unit strategically. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward intercom that doesn't require any tech expertise. Skip this one if you have a sprawling estate where you might need more advanced features or longer connectivity. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if sound quality in larger spaces is a concern for you, the next option on my list might actually give you the reassurance you need.
Product number 2, Hosmart Intercoms Wireless 6-packs. Next up is the Hosmart Intercoms Wireless, which comes in a convenient 6-pack for $134.99. If you want a system that allows for multiple stations without breaking the bank, this deserves your attention. What makes this package appealing is its straightforward installation and ease of use. Like the UltraSpeak Pro, it offers that same full duplex communication, but with 6 units, you can cover a larger area easily. The sound quality remains top-notch, so conversations are clear whether you're in the living room or a back office. Plus, each unit connects seamlessly with a 1,200-foot range, making it perfect for larger homes or businesses. However, some users mention that the intercoms can sometimes have a slight delay in communication. But honestly, for a multi-station setup, it's a minor issue that can be overlooked when you consider the overall value of having a comprehensive system. This is perfect for families or offices needing constant communication across several rooms. Skip this one if you only need a single unit, as it might be overkill for your needs. Overall, it's a solid investment for the price. Now, if multiple units seem like too much, the following product takes a more minimalistic approach while still delivering excellent performance.
Product number 3, Hosmart UltraSpeak Intercoms, 2 stations. The Hosmart UltraSpeak Intercoms with 2 stations come in at a budget-friendly $47.69. If you're looking for a basic yet reliable intercom system, this is a great entry point. This model retains the user-friendly design and crystal-clear sound quality that Hosmart is known for. It's incredibly easy to set up. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. The 1,200 feet range means you can easily communicate from room to room without any hassle. Perfect for homes where you need simple communication without the bells and whistles. However, one downside is that it only comes with 2 stations, which might not be sufficient for larger households. But if you're in a smaller space or just need a few intercoms, this won't really matter. This is perfect for couples or small families who need a quick way to talk without yelling across the house. Skip this if you often have guests over or need more than 2 units. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if you're after something that can handle larger distances and more stations, the next product on my list might just fit the bill.
Product number 4, Sanzuko Intercoms Wireless. The Sanzuko Intercoms Wireless is a more advanced option priced at $104.89. If you need a high-performance intercom with multiple features, this one stands out. What I found impressive about this system is its technical innovation. It has 18 channels and 2 secret codes to avoid interference, which means you won't have issues with crosstalk in busy environments. The hands-free communication is super convenient, and the group call function is a game changer for larger families or offices. However, I did notice some users expressing concerns about the initial setup being slightly more complicated than others. Here's the thing though, Once you've got it set up, the performance is worth the trouble, especially if you value clear communication in larger spaces. This is perfect for those who need functionality and clarity in communication, like business offices or larger families. Skip this if you want something straightforward that just works out of the box. Considering the features, it's a good investment. Now, if you're looking for something a little more basic but still effective, the last product we're covering might be just right for you.
Product number 5, Hosmart Ultra Speak Pro. Budget. Finally, we have the Hosmart Ultra Speak Pro at an even more affordable price of $47.69. If you want a solid intercom without a hefty price tag, this is worth considering. This model shares many of the same features as the pricier versions, including easy setup and crystal clear sound quality. The 1,300 feet range is a slight upgrade, allowing for even more flexibility in communication across larger homes or offices. It's a great option for those who want reliability without spending too much. The only drawback? It lacks some advanced features found in the other models, like group calling or multiple channels. But honestly, if you just need straightforward communication, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for anyone on a budget who still wants a reliable intercom system. Skip this if you require more advanced functionality in your communication. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, after going through all these options, let's wrap it up. To recap, we've looked at 5 different intercom systems that cater to various needs and budgets. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Hosmart Intercoms Wireless 6-pack because of its balance between price and functionality for larger setups. Avoid the Hosmart UltraSpeak intercoms if you really need more than 2 stations, as it might not meet your needs. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.